Good morning, children. How are you all? Children, I hope you all are fit and fine. So, children, yesterday we have discussed about the plant fibers. Today we are going to discuss about the animal fibers. Children, we know the animal fibers includes the wool and silk, and wool comes from mainly from the fleece of sheep, and we can get the wool also from the different animals like goat, yak, camel and rabbit also. And silk is produced from the silkworm. Children, wool commonly name applied to the soft, curly fibers obtained chiefly from the fleece of domesticated sheep, and they are used extensively in the textile manufacturing. The wool may be differentiated from the hair mainly by the nature of the scales that cover the outer surface of each fiber. We can get the wool from the other types, from the other animals like the camel, llama, alpaca. These hair yarn are spun from the fleece of the animals that are member of the camel family. And the Kashmiri is extremely soft, which is the dye fiber, and these come from the Kashmiri goat. The angora are the fibers comes from the angora rabbit, and the mohair comes from the angora goat. The yak wool is a popular Tibet and the Ladakh. These are popular. So children, we can see here the different types of animals which are used for producing the wool. Children, the silk fiber is produced as a cocoon covering by the silkworm and valuable for its use in fine fabric and the textile. So that the silkworm in fact is not a worm but a caterpillar, although the cocoon which covering of the fiber are made by a large number of insects. So children, you can see here the life cycle of silkworm, in which what happens, first there you can see the egg stage, and then you can see the larva stage, then you can see here the pupa and the adult stage. So children, there are different stage of the silkworm, and we know that the sericulture is an important process or in which the raising of the silkworm involving the incubation of the tiny eggs of the silkworm moth until they hatch and become the worm. So children, the rearing of the silkworm for the production of silk is called the sericulture process. Children, we know that the spinning of yarn means the process of making yarn from fibers is called the spinning process, and we are making the fabric from the yarn also. So how yarn to fabric process is done? Mainly there are two processes to making the fabric from the yarn. First is weaving and second is knitting process. In the weaving process, the arranging the two sets of yarn together to make a fabric, and the knitting process, in this the process a single yarn is used to make a piece of fabric. So hope children this topic is clear to you. Today you should complete the keywords of chapter 3rd in your notebook. Thank you children.